Righto, last but certainly not least, I just want to show how we illustrate a monopoly making a normal profit. So we go pretty much through the same routine. This time we pick up the average cost curve and see, we've got to position it around about there. You'll see why in a moment, but I mean, more importantly, of course, the minimum is still cutting the marginal cost curve, but its particular position is quite important, because when I pick up my my vertical line, just pick that up. You're horizontal at the moment, but make that vertical, run that up through there. You see that should anyway, that line, that dotted line is run up to the demand curve, which is the blue curve, and it also happens to coincide with the black curve, which is clearly the cost curve. Let's do it that end, actually might make it easier. There we go. So let's put those labels in there. First of all, we've identified Qmax again, MC equals MR, MR equals MC. Now, what about the price? Well, let's take this price line and put it in here. Now you'll notice at that point represents both price and cost. They both happen to coincide at the same point. So cost and price are the same in this situation. Now, you'll be getting very familiar with this idea now that profit is total revenue minus total cost, and of course in this particular case total revenue minus total cost is going to be 0, and so we would normally think, well, that's no profit, but in an economic definition, what we're calling that is normal profit. And the reason it's normal profit is because we're talking economic profit, and as all of you know now, economic profit includes not just accounting profit, but also opportunity cost. Okay, hope that was helpful.